Reegie mubango wa gukuruhania mathukuru matiganiite niguo gukorwo magithaitira maria maturigiciirie. Murugamiriri wa mihango ino Peter abungu ni ataririe ati undu uyu ni utanyitwo gukorwo kihura njekii niingi kuhigia muingi iguru reegie uhandi wa miti bururiini.Aheaniite. Dumiriri ino hingo ya uhandi wa miti 5,000 thukuru-ini wa Muthingi wa Kirindo.
And we are working with grade 4 and 5 to educate them, but also to help them understand that it is our collective role as a community to take care of the environment by planting trees, by taking care of those trees and having conversations that cause us to think and change our behaviors towards environmental conservation. Entire week we will be working with 5 schools: Krindo Primary School, Baragulu Primary School, Usingo Primary School, Agoro Primary School, and Aseri Primary School. So that's our target number of schools this particular week, and we are targeting to plant about 5,000 trees this entire week. Community mobilizers to come back and make sure that the learners are actually taking care of the individual trees that they've planted and have ownership in environmental conservation.
We wanted to involve the parents such that they know the importance. They can do it in school and also can do it at home.
And I would like to mobilize every community to adopt this system, this initiative, by also going out and planting a tree, at least 10 trees per household. If we do this, then we will be going to create a cleaner, greener environment.
Haha ngire na ripoti ya utugi tamithikiririe mundu gwitwo Evelyn Shitanda muhuri